Hello YouTubers, this is the newest rat rod, 47 Ford F100, or F1 actually. It is a 1990 fuel injected 302, power brakes, drum brakes all the way around, new radiator, cold AC, brand new C4 transmission with shift kit. It's a very solid truck, very fun to drive, pretty quick for what it is. It's a pretty neat old truck. The fuel cell and 50 tires. Very solid truck. Body was channeled 3 inches over the frame. And it has all new glass in it except the driver's side window. That's original and shows its age a little bit, but not cracked. Like I said, the motor is a 5.0 truck engine. It drives really good even with the straight axle, but it's got power steering, so it feels really good. It's a pretty quiet truck. Cardboard's just on the floor to keep it clean, or try to. Has a low car shifter. Seat's pretty comfortable. I'll take this out. So the carpet's a little bit dusty, but it's new. Truck's got about 5,000 miles on it since it was built. But she runs good. You can have a conversation in it when you're driving because it's not too loud. But that all could be changed with some flow masters if a person desired so. I kind of like quiet myself, but it's a really straight body other than the back of the cab and top of the cab, you know. Has some dents in it. When this truck was new, it was used as a work truck, not like today's standards, you just drive around in them. But it's a good smooth running truck. Dual exhaust. LED tail lights and turn signals up front. Pretty much a brand new truck. Gets a lot of looks. We probably got, I think, around 5,000 miles on it since it was built. Again, it's just an old rat rod. The quality of my camera does not show justice to how the truck really looks, or the color of my taillights. It has a 12-gallon fuel cell, battery in the bed on the other side. It's a very fun little truck to drive.